Hi friends, I am Shasini, who is undergraduate in Java Institute. I am going to give you 6 videos about some points in web component development, which is known as also WCD. And this is the 5th video of it. Today I am going to talk about how to use request dispatcher. So let's start. Request dispatcher in servlet. The request dispatcher interface provides the facility of dispatching the request to another resource. It may be HTML, servlet, or JSP. This interface can also be used to include the content of another resource also. It is one of the way of servlet collaboration. There are two methods defined in the request dispatcher interface. So the two methods are public void forward within bracket servlet request servlet response also throws servlet exception Java IO exceptions. So in this method forwards a request from a server to another resource on the server. So the second method is public void include within bracket servlet request servlet response. Also this one also throws servlet exception and Java IO exceptions. This method includes the content of a resource in the response. As you seen in the below figure, response of second servlet is sent to the client. Response of the first servlet is not displayed to the user. As you can see in the below figure, response of second servlet is included in the response of the first servlet that is being sent to the client. How to get the object of request dispatcher? The get request dispatcher method of servlet request interface return the object of request dispatcher. Syntax of get request dispatcher method. Public request dispatcher get request dispatcher in within brackets string resource. Example of using get request dispatcher method are below. Example of request dispatcher interface. In this example, we are validating the password entered by the user. If password is servlet, it will forward the request to the welcome servlet. Otherwise, will show an error message. Sorry, username or password error. In this program, we are checking for hard-coded information, but you can check it to the database also that we will see in the development chapter. In this example, we have created following files. Index.html file for getting input from the user, login.java file, a servlet class for processing the response. If password is server, it will forward the request to the welcome server.java file, a server class for displaying the welcome message. Web.xml file, a deployment descriptor file that contains the information about the servlet. Here is the diagram. Here is the picture for that example. Here is the index.html, login.java, welcome server.java file, web.xml file. And so this is the video this is the video that I do to describe how to use request dispatcher. So thank you for watching.